If you've been looking for an alternative to port forwarding, the answer may be Tailscale. So how does it work? Basically, an IP address is assigned to all of the devices that have the app installed. Your devices can talk to each other, see each other as if they were on the same local network, but they can be anywhere, like a streaming phone connecting to your home PC via IRL. And in today's video, I'm going to give you a broad overview of how it works. Firstly, you need to sign up to a free account with Tailscale and then download all the versions you need. I have a Windows computer, an iPhone, and an Android. The website gives you a download link for your computers and QR codes to scan for your phones. After you've installed and signed in with each of the devices, they'll be assigned IP addresses. One we're most interested in is the IP address for the streaming computer. You can copy the IP address from this button and reformat it into something the streaming apps can use. I'll give you an example in the description, also on screen. Now open OBS, then navigate to Tools, WebSocket Server Settings. Make sure Enable WebSocket Server is enabled, then show Connect Info. Copy your server password, close this window, then close the other one. Now add or modify an existing media source. Do the following: local file unchecked, network buffering 1 MB, input format MPEG-TS, reconnect delay 2 seconds, use hardware decoding unchecked, close file when inactive checked. For input, add the URL from earlier with a few changes. Click OK to save and you're done here. Now open your streaming app. We'll start with Moblin for iPhone, then IRL Pro for Android. Skip to the timestamp on screen if you'd like to jump straight to that part. Navigate to Settings, Streams, Create, Custom SRTLA. For the URL, the SRT address should include a stream ID at the end, like in this example. Then next. Stream name Tailscale. Background streaming enabled. Go through and make any other changes to the stream settings or duplicate an existing stream if you have one and just replace the URL and stream ID. Over on Android, open IRL Pro, then navigate to Settings, Connections, New Connection. Name Tailscale. For the URL, paste the SRT address without a stream ID at the end, like in this example. Then save. Enable the new connection and go back to the home page. Go live in either streaming app where it should appear in OBS after a few seconds. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Please like this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.